let's get bubbly. What's going on, Rejuvenation? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today, I am going to be cleaning up probably the best sneaker to release this year. In my opinion, the Travis Lowe Air Jordan 1 Fragment collab. These are fire. She can. Jacob hit me with the explosion. Before I get started on the cleaning, today's video is sponsored by our friends over at Kicks World. Now, Kicks World is a sneaker subscription service where you can rent sneakers. Yes, you heard that right, rent sneakers. Now, you can rent new ones and used ones. I know that sounds crazy, but every shoe that is worn is cleaned by our products, by one of their shoe care specialists, so you are taken care of. Thankfully, in today's video, we have teamed up to give away one Tier 1 subscription and one Tier 2 subscription. All you have to do to sign up is follow Kicks World on Instagram, which will be linked in the description below. Then you gotta come back, comment, done, and then your Instagram handle, so that way when they verify the winner, they make sure that you guys are following them. So good luck, guys. That will run for the next week or so. So hopefully you guys win that subscription. All right, so for today's video, I am gonna be using the Rejuvenator Essential Kit to bring these bad boys back to life. And as always, we're gonna start it off inserting our adjustable shoe tree. Now that we have the shoe tree inside of the shoe, next step is to remove the laces. Now, I did mention that to me, this might be shoe of the year, and I know that's a bold statement, especially with Off-White releasing 50 different colorways of dunks. So I definitely like to know your guys' thoughts. Is the Air Jordan 1 Travis Fragment Low, this new colorway, shoe of the year, or is it not? Let's debate. What you think, CK?
I think it's dirty.
Yes, it is dirty, which I'll clean it up.
Dirty as in sick.
Dirty as in sick. Oh, it's dirty. Got it, got it. What about you, Miguel? Shoe of the year?
It's not quite shoe of the year for me, but for sure top 3.
Top 3. Vic, shoe of the year?
Not shoe of the year.
Now we're gonna grab our bottle of solution, pour a couple squirts into our bowl here, and start cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, I am done hitting the uppers with the soft bristle brush. Now it's time to move on to the midsole with the medium brush, and lastly, take care of the outsole with the stiff brush. Now this shoe, as I mentioned, is probably sneaker of the year for me. Now when Travis Scott announced it, everyone went crazy about the Fragment Travis collab. Now there also is a high version. CK, I'm a big fan of the high, and a lot of people aren't, and I don't know why. What are your thoughts on the high?
I think the low looks way better in this colorway. Just my personal preference. I think the high is just too in your face.
Got it. Well, maybe that's why I like the high, because I like to be in your face. There you go, guys. I am done cleaning the entire shoe. Go ahead and check out a full 360 real quick. Now the last step, guys, is to grab our laces out of the bowl, scrub them in between our hands to clean them up. All right, now let's go ahead, set this out to dry. All right, guys, I am back. It's been 24 hours since I cleaned the shoe, and as you can see, it came out amazing. Just to recap, I cleaned the entire uppers with the soft brush and the midsole with the medium brush, took care of the outsole with the stiff brush, and of course, wiped it down with the microfiber towel, which is all included in the essential kit. Now, once again, as I mentioned, this to me, so far, is probably shoe of the year. I wanna know your guys' thoughts in the comment section below. Is it top 5? Is it shoe of the year for you? Or is it just straight garbage? Once again, shout out to Kicks World for providing this shoe. Now it's time for me to send it back. I'm actually gonna send it back dirty just like this, so Al Wood, their main cleaner, can go ahead and do his thing and see if he does as good of a job as me. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Kicks World, as I mentioned, their Instagram is in the description below. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.